Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming on over to my art and cooking little place of the internet. Today I have something that you see before you, this card. I was using my artsy metallic watercolors again on some Legion black watercolor paper and decided to draw with and paint with acrylics and gouache this nesting doll. I have always had a fascination with nesting dolls since I was a little girl. I just love them. And I've always loved the art on them. I love how they sort of neatly stack in each other like that. And it's like this little, I don't know, it's one of those things. I just think they're beautiful. And so this is a painting of one of those. So I went ahead and initially I didn't flip on my camera yet, but I just took like the sort of pearlescent artsy metallic watercolor in my palette and painted a shape of the nesting doll and then filled in the background with that color and then went ahead and painted her. And just as you see there, using acrylics, gouache, and Posca. And then I wanted the little plants coming out of her, so I went ahead and used my opaque black Posca acrylic paint pen to make the leaves, and then later with some white, of course. And I loved the effect of the sort of whitish metallic color behind these black leaves. It might look a little busy and messy, but it was fun. I'm going to try a few more of these and change up the designs and the color scheme there. But in the meantime, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribe and share this video. You can share on Pinterest. You can share all sorts of places they give you to choose from. That would be super great for helping out my channel. YouTube looks at that as, okay, we'll share this with others even more so. So that would be great. Anyway, do you love these kinds of nesting dolls? Leave your comment down below if you have any of these, a collection of them, or any of your favorites that you can direct me to. I just love to look at them. They're just beautiful. And that was I made this A2 size card so I could pop it onto a card front and use it. That way we can send a little original art to someone. Thank you for joining me today. Sorry I didn't get more of the painting process. I just turned my camera on in the middle. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day.